Petrol and diesel prices continued to rise on Friday, October 15, following a surge in global crude oil rates. In the national capital, petrol and diesel rates jumped 35 paise to cost rupees 105.14 and rupees 93.87 per litre respectively, according to Indian Oil Corporation. The rates were last increased by 35 paise on Thursday. In Mumbai, petrol price moved 34 paise higher to cost rupees 111.09 per litre, while diesel rates surged 38 paise to cost rupees 101.78 per litre. In North Goa, the petrol price today is 102.91 per litre and the diesel price is 99.19 per litre.